Good day, guys. Today I'll be taking us on GST103, uh, computer fundamentals. Unit 1 talks about the basic concepts of computer. Looking at the definition, a computer is basically defined as a tool or machine used for processing data to give required information. And when we talk about data, the term data is referred to facts about a person, place, or object. And looking at information, it is referred to as processed data or meaningful statements. There are also methods of data processing, which includes manual method, mechanical method, and finally computer methods. Then we have the characteristics of computer, which include speed, accuracy, storage, automatic, reliability, and flexibility. Then moving over to the computing system. When we talk about the computing system, they include the hardware, software, computer users, and the computing environment. We will now shift over to Unit 2. And trust me, guys, definitely you're going to be seeing this place in your exams. History overview of the computer system. According to the handouts, a complete history of computing would include a multitude of diverse devices such as the ancient Chinese abacus, meaning that Charles Babbage is the founding father of computer system. Let us look at the first generation computer, 1937 to 1953. Now, this machine have been promoted at various times as the first electronic computer. This machine electronic switches in form of vacuum tubes instead of electromechanical relays. Please kindly take note of this, guys. The first generation computer made use of vacuum tubes. Definitely you'll be seeing it in your exam. And the first generation computer was created in the year 1937 to 1953. Then moving over to the second generation computer, 1954 to 1962. The second generation computer saw several important developments at all levels of computer system design, from the technology used to build the basic circuits to the programming language used to write scientific applications. That is, in the second generation computer, these were made of electronic switches. The third generation computer, 1963 to 1972. The third generation computer brought huge gains in computer power. Innovations in the era include the use of integral or integrated switches or IC. That is, the third generation computer made use of integrated circuits. Kindly take note of this, guys. You will definitely see it in your exam. The fourth generation computer, 1972 to 1984. This computer made use of large-scale integration. Large-scale integration. Fifth generation computer, 1984 to 1990. According to the fifth generation computer, the development of the next generation computer system is characterized mainly by the acceptance of parallel processing. Then sixth generation computer, 1990 to date. These are computer systems made up of transitions. Then let us go over to the Unit 3, classification of computer. We have several classifications of computer, and we have classification based on signal type. We have digital computer, analog computer, and hybrid computer. Then classification of computer based by purpose. We have special purpose computer, general attributed of special purpose computers, and finally we have general purpose computer. Then we go over to the module 2, computer hardware and software. Computer hardware and software. We have the system units. The system unit is the main unit of the PC. The system unit is the main unit of the PC. When we talk about RAM, RAM means random access memory. Kindly take note of this, guys. Random access memory. What is CPU? CPU is certainly the most important PC component, and CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Let us now look at output devices. Output devices are those devices that are found outside the computer. We have printer, and the printer is a component or computer component that lets you create copies of the information stored in your computer on paper. We have different types of printer. We have laser printer, inkjet printer. We also have monitor as a part of an output unit.